I have learned the template of the describe image and I will put some content words and it will work. Yes, that is absolutely true. It works in PT academic, but what about if you are a PT course student? See, some students often complain that despite learning and using templates for describe image task in PT, their scores often fall short of expectations. Now, most of these complaints are in process description. Students think that a memorized template is the key, but without understanding the essential elements that make it effective, they are setting themselves up for disappointment. So don't let this be your story if you are a student of PTE core. So in this video, I'll be discussing what are the components of template. You cannot learn it from here, there, everywhere. You need to see whether your template contains these elements that are benchmark for your good score. So welcome to our discussion of describing images in your PTE exam. And today we will focus on a particular kind of image, that is process. So however, you remember that images can be varied and unpredictable, ranging from say maps and situations to diagrams and infographics. So for this session, we will particularly concentrate on process descriptions as they are frequently occurring in your exam. Let us start by examining a process image example. So here is a diagram in front of you. So imagine this diagram illustrates the process of recycling plastic bottles. So you can find out various words over here which are ranging from like cleaning, shredding, sorting, melting and so on. And some steps might seem redundant or overly detailed, and it's essential to use your imagination and logical reasoning to interpret the process. If the diagram includes a step or adding color to the plastic, you could suggest that might be relevant to all cycling processes, focusing instead on the core steps which are exactly mentioned in the given diagram. Now, when describing a process, you can use a particular template, and first let's understand a structured approach how to attempt this type of question. So for the introduction of process, you can begin with a complex sentence because it will show your command on the language. For example, based on this image, a recycling process for plastic bottles is being illustrated. Okay. So this is a complex sentence because it sets the introduction and indicates that you will be discussing a process, adding description for the further steps. Then you can give some detailing steps. For example, you can use the phrase it kicks off with, or it starts with, or it commences with, anything, whatever you are comfortable with. So we can use it kicks off with, or you can use it commences with, anything. Sorting the plastic bottles, and not only does it involve separating by color, but it also requires the removal of labels and caps. Okay, so we used here not only but also. Look at this, not only but also. So this is again making it a complex sentence. There are multiple elements in it. Okay, additionally, not only but also, you have to use such kind of linkers in order to show there are multiple elements in the image. So we can use other linkers as well, like following that or afterward. For example, following that the shredded plastic is melted and molded into new products. Okay, so this shows the continuity of the process. Following that, in the next step or afterwards, once A is done, anything you can make use of as you are comfortable with. We need to show the continuity of the process because there are many steps into that, and we have to frame 4 to 5 sentences. So you can also use transitional phrases like this is accompanied by. For example, this is accompanied by cleaning the bottles to remove any residue before shredding them into small pieces. So any continuity or any transition that smoothly adds on to the additional steps that can be included in a process. So finally, you have to wrap up by summarizing or concluding the process. In conclusion, use this linker. In conclusion, the recycling process involves several meticulous steps to transform plastic bottles into reusable material. So if any kind of process is there, you can replace that. Whatever is the name of the topic, just enter the topic name, and rest you can make use of looking for some. Simply remember, like, you can conclude with similar kind of sentences if any type of process comes. Now some additional tips that you need to remember are, you need to aim for a mixture of complex and simple sentences. Avoid overloading with complex sentences. There is no necessity that every sentence should be a complex sentence. It should be a mixture of simple and complex sentences. Practice using varied connectors. Connectors are very important because they show the continuity, they show the transition of one phase to another. So in this way, because the process contains many steps, you need to add these connectors in order to show the continuity of the process. By applying this template and incorporating these strategies, you will effectively describe the processes and showcase your language proficiency in the exam. Remember, the exam content of your description is less important than how logically and coherently you present the process. So you need not to remember each and every word from the diagram. You just have to make a logical coherence of the sentences and make use of variety of sentences, that is simple and complex sentences. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit like button and subscribe for more tips to boost your PT performance. Remember, mastering the describe image section isn't just about memorizing templates. It's about understanding the essential components of a template that can make your description stand out. Take a moment to practice using the techniques we discussed today and share your thoughts in the comment below what templates have worked for you. And if you have any question, you can message at the WhatsApp link below. Join me in the next video where we will dive into more strategies to tackle the PT exam with confidence. Until then, keep practicing, stay focused, and you will surely achieve the score you are aiming for. See you next time.